Okay, how can you install Pyautogui, GUIE, for Python? Okay, so on this site here, so you look up Pyautogui, if that's how you pronounce it. Okay, now I've downloaded Python already, the latest version, and it says here, this is the same as running, pip installing. If you see here on Windows, pip install Pyautogui, and you would then access the command prompt. If you don't know how to do that, that would be here, cmd command, and command prompt comes up. In here you can try that, so pip install. Let's see what happens again. Paste. Tried this before. I've installed it, but let's just do this as a check. Maybe it'll say already done or something. Already satisfied, already satisfied. That's already done. So install it in the command prompt. So that's already all ready to code in for Python. That'll be for mouse controls and keyboard controls, etc.